It's October 30th, 1991. One day earlier, a 100-year storm has hit the east coast of the United States. This storm is the result of three independent weather systems converging in one area. It is also the tempest that became the subject of Sebastian Junger's The Perfect Storm. The sailing vessel Stormy, a 32-foot sloop, is one of many boats caught in the severe storm. The three-person crew has taken a sustained, severe beating for 36 hours. The boat is foundering in monster waves and winds that range from 70 to 90 miles an hour. 90 miles south of Nantucket, the crew finally puts in a mayday call at midnight. Crucial gear has been washed overboard, including a life raft, life jackets, and extra fuel tanks. The boat is also taking on water, but so far the Stormy's pumps have been able to keep up. The 205-foot Coast Guard cutter Tamaroa, previously anchored near Cape Cod, steams towards the Stormy's position. The cargo ship Kalamona is also on scene, standing by in case help is needed. As the day progresses, the Coast Guard attempts to convince the Stormy's owner to abandon ship. The master, however, refuses, even though her crew is in imminent danger and darkness is just a few short hours away. The Coast Guard District Office declares the Stormy's voyage manifestly unsafe, which allows the Coast Guard to order the captain and her crew off the boat. The Tamaroa decides to dispatch its RHI, rigid-hull inflatable boat called the Tam-1, for a rescue attempt. Again, the seas are so unstable that they overwhelm the RHI crew. One of the crewmen is knocked out of the boat into the churning seas. The crew pulls him back into the boat and continues to fight towards the Stormy. When they reach her, they are in for a shock. A huge wave picks the Stormy out of the water and slams her down onto the lifeboat's bow, deflating the bow section. Now the RHI is in danger of being swamped. The crew transfers survival suits to the Stormy passengers and backs away. The helo crew begins the hoisting evolution, lifting each of the Stormy's passengers to the safety of the helicopter. Now they turn their attention to the crew of the Tam-1, who have shut down the life raft's engine and jumped into the water. One at a time, they are also hoisted to safety. As the helo heads back to land, the Tamaroa also turns west and attempts to make headway against the incredible sea conditions. Unbeknownst to captain and crew, they have yet one more dramatic rescue ahead in this saga that will become known as The Perfect Storm.